Mr. Sarabjit Singh Samra, who is the Managing Director, CEO, Mr. Manish Jain, who is the Executive Director and CFO, Mr. Dinesh Gupta, Director, and representing the BRLs we have Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head Coverage, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, Mr. Vishal Desai, Senior Vice President ECM, DAM Capital Advisors Limited, and Mr. Neeraj Shah, Managing Director, BFSI Equus Capital Private Limited. For those joining us virtually, you are requested to type your questions respected in the Q&A panel available to you, which will be read out to the management. A gentle reminder to kindly identify your name and the media house while asking questions. I would now like to invite Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head Coverage, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, to initiate the proceedings.
Thank you.
On behalf of Capital Small Finance Bank and the BRG, thank you for taking out the time to attend this meet today. Our host has already introduced the dignitaries, including and we also have our fellow panelists from DAM and IPO. And I must say, before I start, it's clearly a privilege and pleasure, Samraji and Manish, to be here on the stage, welcoming you and presenting Capital SME. It's a strong association we've had for so many years, and it's nice to see that. The Capital SME, Capital Small Finance Bank, was started by Mr. Samra almost 2 decades ago. It was really his vision, his passion, his dream of wanting to serve the unserved and the underserved by providing to get to the banking needs, especially in rural Punjab. And I think since then, it's been a long journey. We'll continue to see how the bank has grown from strength to strength. Today, I think it's clearly seen as catering to all the needs of the middle class customers across all the regions that we serve. So it's become a clear, single focused entity. Moreover, I think Capital Small Finance Bank was actually a pioneer in bringing the latest modern day banking facilities to the semi-urban and rural areas at a low cost, leveraging its entire branch network of 173 branches spread across 5 states and 1 union territory as of September 30th, 2023. Clearly, under the leadership of Mr. Samra and the management, the bank has continued to show exemplary growth and is one of the leading small finance banks in regard to cost of funds, CASA, best-in-class asset quality, and clearly continue to spearhead the growth. More importantly, and I think most importantly, it also continues to adhere to the highest standards of corporate governance. So I think this has clearly would not have been possible but for the strong leadership provided by Mr. Samra and Manish and the entire management, and also the able support of the private equity funds. It includes Oman India, Joint Investment Fund, Amicus Capital, and BI Ventures, who clearly help support this entire growth phase. Clearly, having demonstrated the growth in the past and given the strong opportunities ahead, we believe the bank is well positioned to capitalize on the growth and continue to set new milestones along the way. And in my view, this IPO is clearly an opportunity to participate in the growth story of Capital Small Finance Bank. Let me just give you a key highlight of the issue. The IPO is going to open on Wednesday, February 7th, and will close on Friday, February the 9th, with the anchor scheduled for Tuesday, February the 6th. The price plan of the issue is from rupees 445 to 468, the total issue size of 523 crores. This includes a primary component of 450 crores and an OFS of 73 crores. I would clearly seek all your support to make this issue an outstanding success, and once again welcome you all. I'll now request Mr. Samra to come and share his thoughts and take you through the vision of the great story.
Group segment and special emphasis on rural and semi-urban areas. For the half year ended fiscal 2024, this small finance bank, as against comparable SFBs, had the lowest cost of funds, the highest proportion of retail deposits to total deposits, The highest proportion of CASA deposits to total deposits. The highest proportion of secured lending. One of the lowest average GNPAs. And the highest liquidity on its balance sheet as a percentage of total assets. This SFB, with a low dependency on borrowing to cater to its short to medium-term asset side needs, is Capital Small Finance Bank. With over 2 decades of rich experience in the banking industry, we are one among only 2 non-NBFC microfinance institutions to have received the SFB license in 2015. The core strategy at Capital SFB is to strengthen our retail-focused banking franchise by enabling access to affordable credit, primarily for the middle-income customer segments, with a special emphasis on rural and semi-urban areas. Our loan portfolio comprises agricultural, MSME and trading, mortgage lending, and others. We provide agriculture-related loans, Kisan Credit Card, agri-term loans. In fact, we are the only SFB empaneled with the Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department of the Government of Punjab to act as the nodal banker for processing payments of procurements. Our MSME and trading sector loans, consisting primarily of working capital financing and other products like machinery loans and project financing, constitutes 19.66% of our loan book as on September 30th, 2023. And our mortgage lending, consisting of housing loans and loans against property, constituted 26.06% of our loan book as of September 30th, 2023. Our liability franchise is driven by a retail deposit book and CASA, with a total deposit base as of September 30th, 2023, spread over 7.53 lakh accounts. As part of our holistic suite of products, we also derive fee income from distribution of insurance, forex services, remittance services, 3-in-1 trading and demat account, and safe deposit lockers. For insurance products, we serve as corporate agents for life, health, and general insurance products. We are also licensed authorized dealers for both inward and outward non-trade remittance facilities. Capital SFB offers a variety of internet banking and mobile banking services for anytime, any day, and anywhere banking services. We continue to increase the scale of digital interactions with our customers. We are also backed by a number of institutional investors and financial institutions. Headquartered in Punjab, where we have the largest branch network among all SFBs. Capital SFB is present in 5 states and 1 union territory, with 173 branches and 175 ATMs as on September 30th, 2023. We believe that our holistic suite of banking products, deeply relationship-based banking approach, entrenched branch network, single window service, customer-friendly practices, and brand equity has aided a retail-centric deposit and asset profile. With a bank for customers, both credit and deposits, we are a one-stop financial hub for our customers where we operate. Capital Small Finance Bank.